Wicked here, back with a video, and today I'm going to show you something better than my original, sorry guys, I'm not really feeling good. Another Billy. I'm going to show you another butterfly knife, but this time, I made it really cool. Okay, if you don't know my old one, I'm watching that, sorry. You know my new one? Here's my new one. I have one. I don't have one color. I just use multiple colors, and that's kind of how I do it. So I had to use a lot of tape. It's really fragile. I don't want to flip it like do the butterfly knife. But see right here, taped it because these pieces right here kept falling off. I do use the yellow ones because the blue ones were too hard to move, so I just use the yellow ones. Give me some more fresh ones so you can see better. There you go. There you go. Shing, shing, shing. But you can move it like crazy when you build it.
The next step is to get the straps on the feet so that we can pull the cap out. Pull it out with straps? Yeah. Wow.
And there you have it. A better butterfly knife by yours truly. See you guys next time. Bye.